10, a crisis in the Tomah VA. Veterans complain the hospital handed out powerful drugs like candy.
Now a new report from the government says that claim is true. Steve Shamraz is here to explain what they found. Steve?
Courtney and Charles, this is a report so damning the Deputy Secretary of Veterans Affairs announced it himself today in Tomah. He called these problems a crisis, and he's vowed to fix it.
At the VA hospital nicknamed Candyland by some veterans, a promise today from the top.
We will follow this evidence wherever it leads. No one or no subject is out of bounds.
Deputy Secretary of Veterans Affairs Sloan Gibson vowed to solve the problems at Tomah. A preliminary report found extensive use of powerful painkillers at the facility, so much so it created unsafe clinical practices. Gibson said the VA needs to find ways to help veterans without so many powerful and addictive drugs.
It can't be a bag of pills all the time. That's the less politic response to your question.
Senator Tammy Baldwin said the report's findings substantiate the troubling concerns from current and former employees and patients. Whistleblowers contacted her office when complaints at the VA fell on deaf ears. The report goes a step further, finding a culture of fear at Tomah that prevented people from speaking out against abuse.
We can't have people, frontline employees, that are afraid to raise their hand. That's how we get better. That's how we get better.
Senators Baldwin and Ron Johnson have both called for congressional hearings on the problems at Tomah. That would be in addition to the VA's continuing investigation. Charles, Courtney.
All right, Steve, thanks.